discuss four properties of muscle tissues, growth of muscle, two kinds of muscle fiber, role of muscle, origin versus insertion, three types of muscles in the body, lastly, development activity guide. So let's go.
So first, I'm gonna discuss the four properties of muscle tissues. First, elasticity. So to explain the elasticity, it is the ability to recoil or bounce back to the muscle's original length after being stressed. Second, excitability. It is the ability to respond to stimulus, which may be delivered from a motor, neuron, or a hormone. Third one is the extensibility. It is the ability of a muscle to be stretched. In order to be able to flex the elbow extensor muscles must extend, and in order to allow flexion to occur, lack of extensibility is known as spasticity. So the last one is the contractility. It is the ability of muscle cells to forcefully shorten. For instance, in order to flex, increase the angle of a joint, your elbow, you need to contract, shorten the biceps brachii and other elbow flexor muscles in the anterior arm.
So now, we're gonna talk about the groups of muscles. So first is chest. It contains four muscles that exert for force to the upper limb. The pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, serratus anterior, and subclavius. Next is shoulder. The most important shoulder muscles are the four rotator cuff muscles, the subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and the teres minor muscles. Third one is arms. The pectoralis major, latissimus dorsi, deltoid, and rotator cuff muscles connect to the humerus and move the arm. The fourth one is back. They are divided into superficial intrinsic muscles of the back. So the trapezoids, latissimus dorsi, rhomboid major, rhomboid minor, and elevator scapula. Fifth one is abdominal. External obliques, internal obliques, pyramidals, rectus abdominis, transversus abdominis. So the last one, legs and glutes. The gluteal muscles are a group of muscles that make up the bottom area. The muscles group consists of the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus.
So now, we're gonna talk about also the two kinds of fiber. There are two different types of fiber, the soluble and the insoluble. Both are important for health, digestion, and preventing disease. So first, soluble fiber attracts water and turns to get during digestion. Specifically, soluble fiber is found in all bran, berry nuts, seeds, beans, lentils, peas, and some fruits and vegetables. While insoluble fiber is found in foods such as wheat bran, vegetables, and whole grains, and it adds bulk to the appears to help food pass more quickly through the stomach and intestines.
Next is role of muscles. Muscles have range of functions from pumping blood and supporting movement to lifting heavy weights and labor. Muscles work by either contracting or relaxing to loose movement. These movements may be voluntary or done without conscious awareness.
So next is the origin versus insertion, or the difference of both. So origin is a relatively the less more movable end of the muscle tendon that is attached to a bone, while insertion is the more flexible end of the muscle that is usually attached to a bone via tendons. Remember this hint. If the place is a bone that remains immobile for an action, that attachment is called an rigid. If the place is on the bone that moves during the action, that attachment is called an insertion.
Next are the 3 types of muscles in the body. So, the skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal. As a part of musculoskeletal system, these must work with your bones, tendons, and ligaments. Tendons attach skeletal muscles to bones all over your body. Together, they support the weight of your body and help you move. Second is smooth. These muscles lie inside the organs such as the bladder, stomach, and intestines. Smooth muscles play an important role in many body systems, including the female reproductive system, male reproductive system, urinary system, and respiratory system. The third one is cardiac. These muscles line the heart walls. They help your heart pump blood that travels through your cardiovascular system. You don't control cardiac muscles, your heart tells them when to contract.
So the last one is the Pyramid Activity Guide. So, Pyramid Activity Guide is a guide that adults may use to plan for an active lifestyle. So what is the importance of Pyramid Activity Guide? So by following the pyramid's recommended activities, people have been able to become more active and create a healthy, beneficial routine that can help maintain and even improve musculoskeletal health and heart health, as well as belt endurance.
That's all. Thank you for watching.